What's up guys, it's Sebastian. So in this video, I'm going to walk you guys through fulfilling orders on AliExpress. A lot of people don't know how to fulfill orders the right way. Some people use Oberlo, which Oberlo is fine, but it's not the best. I have the best app for you guys, so I'll show you all that. I'll show you how to set that up real quick, and then I'll show you exactly how to fulfill the orders, because that is what a lot of people for some reason want to know, and I know how to do it, so I will show you guys exactly how it's done. Before we get into my computer, be sure to smash the like button. I am posting every single day, so if you do want to see content more frequently, be sure to click the subscribe button. But without further ado, we're going to get into my computer. I'm going to create a draft order for you guys, and then I will fulfill it and show you guys everything as far as how to set it up. So let's get into it. Okay, we're on my computer, and this is the pore cleanser website that I created for you guys live. And what I'm going to do right now is basically select the product that we're going to be fulfilling and add it to an order, and then I will input some information as far as like shipping info so that we can set that up and have it all good to go for the AliExpress order. Okay, so now I just added a dummy address, as you guys can see. Oh wait, this probably won't work. Yeah, because it's not a Canadian address. So let's fix that real quick. California, save. Okay, that worked. So now what we're going to do, the app that we're using is called De-essers. This is the photo image of it, and then it's again called De-essers. So make sure you add this. And before we fulfill the order, I'll show you guys a quick rundown of how to add a product from AliExpress to your store. Again, I showed a full in-depth detail on the product page video I just made a few days ago, but I'll give you a quick rundown. So basically, if you have a product you want to import from AliExpress, you'll take the listing link or URL, paste it right here. It will show up right here, and then you'll be able to edit the product page and all of the info. Once it's done, you basically just click push to Shopify, and it will show up right here on your product page or on your all products list. So now that that's out of the way, all we want to do is go to our orders, and we will go to open orders and have this load. And now, as you can see, we have an order right here. So we're going to place order. Very simple. You're going to select the shipping method. I'm just going to select ePacket, and now it is going to allow us to confirm this order. And as you guys can see right here, it says one order success. So now what it's going to do is it has you make payment on AliExpress. So let's have this load real quick, and we'll click back on awaiting payment. And as you guys can see, right here is the order. So you'll just select this and click pay now. Again, this is not a real order, so I'm not gonna make payment, but that's basically how you fulfill orders. Again, not complex at all. And this video is really short. I'm fine with having one short video because I've been posting videos like 10 to 30 minutes per day. So yeah, I mean, that's how you fulfill orders. Very simple and straight to the point. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Again, very simple. I thought this video was gonna be at least like 10 minutes so I could add some more ads in it, but nonetheless, I did show exactly how to fulfill orders, which is something a lot of people requested. So hopefully you guys got value from this. If you did make it to the end, which not a long video, smash the like button, click subscribe, because I'll be posting more content every single day. And also, if you have any questions or concerns, you can drop those in the comment section below. But other than that, that's gonna wrap it up for this very, very short video. Hope you guys got value, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.